Hello everyone, welcome to you all. Today we will try to explain the addressing modes of 8086 microprocessor. Now what is the meaning of addressing mode? We know that every instruction is basically a combination of opcode and operand, and in different instruction we represent operand in a different ways. So addressing mode basically defines the different ways of specifying operands within an instruction. And here we should remember, or we should mention that in 8085 microprocessor we have 5 different addressing mode. So what does it mean? It means in the instruction set we have 5 different ways available to specify the operands within the instruction itself. So I am writing here, so addressing mode means it is the different ways of specifying operands within an instruction. So now in 8086 we have 8 different addressing modes. How many modes are there? 8 different addressing modes are there. That means within instruction we can specify operands in 8 different ways. That is why in 8086 microprocessor we have 8 different addressing modes. Now these 8 different addressing mode can be categorized into 2 parts. One part contains 2 different addressing modes and another part contains 6 different addressing modes. Here in this 2, the operand is basically a register or immediate data. And this 6 is used to specify offset. So I am repeating it once again. We have 8 different addressing modes in 8086. What does it mean? It means that in 8086 microprocessor, whatever instruction we use, each of them can have different operands, and we can represent those operands in 8 different ways. So that is why it has 8 different addressing modes. These 8 addressing modes can be divided into 2 parts. One contains 2, another one contains 6. These 2 represent those addressing modes where the operand itself is a register or an immediate data, and remaining 6 is reserved to specify offset. So that implies that in the instruction set of 8086 we can specify offset in 6 different ways. That is, now from the previous discussion we know what is the meaning of offset and what is actually physical address. So I am repeating it here once again. We know that physical address, how to calculate physical address? It is the combination of segment address multiplied by 10 plus offset. So what is offset? Offset is the displacement within a particular segment, and segment address defines the starting location of that particular segment. Now within the addressing mode, so the instructions of 8086, a few more things we need to remember. One term will be there, that is called displacement. Displacement can be 8 bit or 16 bit. Offset is a type of displacement, we already know that. Base will be denoted by base register. So the example of base registers here will be BX and BP, base pointer. The name defines base. And index, we know we have 2 index registers. So this is basically index register that is SI and DI, and or. So these terms will be very important when we will explain the addressing mode. So now get into the topic directly. So the first one, fast addressing mode, hopefully you can find it. So the fast addressing mode is register addressing mode. The first one is register addressing mode. So what does it mean? Already we have said addressing mode means it is the different ways of specifying the operand. So here register addressing mode. So the name says the operand will be directly a register. So here operand is basically a register. Now what can be example? Now some example will be like that. Move AX, CX. What does it mean? The content of CS register will be moved, or rather it will be copied into AX. Similarly, move AL, BL. So the content of BL register, it's a 8-bit register, moved or copied into AL. So here the operand is directly a register. So that is why it is called register addressing mode. Number 2, immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. So as the name suggests, here operand will be an immediate data. Will be immediate data. So a typical example can be like that. Move AL, 35 hex. So 35 hex is a 8-bit data. So that data can be copied within AL. So another example for 16-bit operation, move AX, 4896 hex. So what will happen? This whole 16-bit data will be copied into AX register, because we know AX register is the 16-bit accumulator. So these are the two that I have explained here, and the remaining 6 will be used to define different offsets, ways of specifying different types of offset. So here it is number 3, direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode. Here the operand is basically offset, and it is directly mentioned here. The value of the offset is directly mentioned here. So the example can be like that one. Move AL, second bracket 0301. So this is something interesting. What does it mean? First of all, if I write anything within this second bracket, it represent I am talking about offset address. So assume the offset address 0301, this is the address which contains a data, 8-bit data, that can be 04 hex. So what will happen? It says the operand is basically an offset. This offset address contains this 8-bit data. So this 8-bit data will be directly moved into AL. So after execution, what will happen? AL will become 04 hex. Now another example can be like that. Suppose I have written same thing. Move AX within bracket 0301. Then what will happen? So once again, 0301, assume that it contains same value 04x, and the next location, that is 0302, all are hex, these are hexadecimal values. So the next location contains another 8-bit data, that is suppose 52x. Then what will happen? Because we know the size of AX is 16, so if I want to load AX register, then I need 16 bit of data. So how to get that 16 bit of data? That is the data from this location and data from the next location. So both will be copied into AX. So that means after execution, AX will look like this one, 5204 hex. So that will be the result. So this is called direct addressing mode. Here the value of the offset is directly given within the instruction itself. Number 3 is done. Number 4. Register indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. So here already we know we are talking about those kind of addressing modes which basically define offsets. So register indirect addressing mode, what will happen? The offset will be indirectly available within the register itself. So here the operand is once again offset, but this value will be available within registers. This offset will be available within registers. Now the question is, what are the registers that we can use here? That is BX, BP, SI and DI. So these are the register that will be used to represent offset. That is what is called register indirect addressing mode. The offset will be indirectly present within this kind of registers. So the example will be very simple. Move AX bracket BX. Now assume that, let's assume the value of BX register is 0345x. So that is the content of the BX register. Now here this content will be treated as offset location. This content will be treated as offset address. This content will be treated as offset address. So right now what happens? The address becomes 0345x. So in this address we might have an 8-bit data, because all the addresses should have an 8-bit data. So assume the 8-bit data is 20x, and the next location, that is 0346x, might have another data, that is 34x. That is possible. So if this is the condition, and in this condition if I execute this instruction, that is move AX comma within bracket BX, then what will happen? The content of BX register will be treated as offset address, and from that location whatever data are available within the two consecutive memory locations will be copied into AX. So finally the result of AX will be this one. AX will be 3420 hex. So remember, the first location contains the data that will be placed into lower byte of accumulator, that is AL, and this one will be copied into higher byte of AX. So that is why the content of AX should look like this one. Now number 5, this is register indirect addressing mode. The next one is based addressing mode. Based addressing mode. So here also operand will be offset. What is the operand? Already we know. In all these cases operand will be offset, and offset will be available within base register. So base register means we know it will be either BX or BP, and a new term, that is displacement. It might have displacement. Now this displacement can be of two types. Already I have said that it can be 8-bit or 16-bit. So take an example of that. Example, move AL comma base register, that is BX, plus displacement. Suppose the displacement is 8-bit. An example of an 8-bit value is maybe 05X. So if this is the instruction, then what does it mean? So once again, we have assumed that BX contains that value 0345X. So we have assumed that BX contained 0345X. Then we need to add the displacement with this one, that is 05X. So the result will be 034AX. So this location will be treated as offset address. So that address should contain 8-bit data. The 8-bit data might be, suppose, 34Hex. So what will happen right now? This 34Hex will be moved into AL. So the final value of AL is right now 34Hex. So hopefully we can understand how it works. Another example can be given in this way. Suppose I have written move AX comma, BX plus 0234Hex. So the displacement here is 16-bit. Then what will happen? So already you have assumed that the value of BX is 0345. If it happens, suppose the value of BX is 0345, the displacement here is 0234. So 0234Hex. Just simply add them. This is 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 3, 2, 5, 0. So that is the value after the addition. Now this value will be converted or will be treated as an offset address. Now this location should contain 8-bit value or the 8-bit data. So data might be 23Hex, and the next location, that is 057A should have another data, that is suppose 34Hex. Then in this condition, if all this thing happens in this way, then after executing this instruction, what will be the value we will get here? That is AX register gets this value 3423 hex. So in this way, base addressing mode works, where the offset is basically a base address plus displacement, where displacement can be 8-bit or 16-bit. Then number 6. That is index addressing mode. So hopefully now we can understand, the name itself suggests that offset will be within indexed register. The example of index register is source index or destination index and destination index, plus, just like in the previous case that I have explained, displacement. Displacement can be of two types, that is 8-bit or 16-bit. So a typical example can be like this one. Move, suppose AX, comma, index register SI plus, assume a 16-bit of displacement, that is 1528 hex. If that happens, then what will actually happen? So in this case, we need to once again assume the value of SI. Suppose assume that the value of SI is 0301 hex. So if this is the content of SI, then we need to add 16-bit displacement with this one. So the result will be, this is 9, this is 2, 5, 3, 8, 1, 1829 hex. So this value will be now treated as an offset address. And from this offset address, we will get the first data. Suppose the data is 23 hex, and from the next location, that is 182A hex, I will get another data that might be 34 hex. So if this kind of thing happens, then after executing this instruction, the value within AX will be 3423 hex. So here offset is basically defined by the combination of index register, that is source index or destination index, plus displacement, where displacement can be of two types, either it is 8-bit or 16-bit. Then based index addressing mode. So once again the name suggests it is the combination of base register plus index register. So here offset is the combination of base register plus index register. So already we know the example of base register is BX or BP or both. Index register will be either SI or DI. So once again a typical example will be like this one. So move AX BX plus SI. So if that happens, then how it performs. So already we have assumed that the content of bx we have assumed as 0, 3, 4, 5. So assume bx contains 0, 3, 4, 5 hex. We have assumed that si contains 0, 3, 0, 1. So assume si is equal to 0, 3, 0, 1 hex. So simply add them. 5 plus 6, 4, 6, 0 hex. So this is the content, this is the value. After the addition, this value will be treated as offset address. That will be treated as offset address. From this address we will get the first data for AL. The data can be 3, 4 hex, and from the next location, that is 0, 4, 0, 6, 4, 7 hex, the next data might be 5, 4 hex. So the content of AX will be, after execution, the content of AX will be 5434 hex. So this is called based index addressing mode, where offset is the combination of base register plus index register. And the last one, number 8. This is called based index with displacement addressing mode. So what will happen here? Here the offset is the combination of base register, that is BX or BP, plus index register, that is SI or DI, plus displacement, that can be 8-bit or 16-bit. So it is the combination of all. And typical example can be like this one. Move AX, BX plus SI plus, assume a 16-bit address or 16-bit displacement. Any one we might have used. Okay, I have not mentioned here. So a 16-bit value can be anything like 2, 3, 4, 5 hex. So if this happens, then what will be the result? First we need to add these 3. So already we have assumed that BX contains 0, 3, 4, 5, SI contains 0, 3, 0, 1. The displacement we have taken 2, 3, 4, 5. So add these 3 numbers. So 5 plus 5 plus 1, that is equal to B. 4 plus 4, 8. 3, 3, 3, 9. So that is the value. This data will be treated as offset address. This will be treated as offset address. From this offset address, I will get a data 8-bit data, maybe 5, 4 hex, and from the next location I will get, that is 298 C hex. From the next location I will get another 8-bit value, that can be 64 hex. So what is the value of AX right now? AX will be 6454 hex. So in this way we can find that different ways of addressing modes, where the last 6 one we have understood that this is basically representing offset, but the offset has been represented different ways. For the first one, the offset was directly given or mentioned within the instruction. Then offset was given within register. Then Offset was given within base register plus displacement, the combination of them. Then offset was within the combination of index register plus displacement. Then offset was the combination of base register plus index register. And the last one, offset is the combination of base, index and displacement. Now, before ending that one, I should mention here, take the example of this one. Suppose the offset here is this one, 0301, and that offset can contain any value. I have taken the value as 04x. Now at this condition, if I want to understand what is the exact physical address we are talking about, then how to determine that one? So we know this is the offset which contains data. That means we are talking about data segment register. We are talking about data segment register. And we know the starting location of data segment register is given by data segment register. So the physical address will be the value of data segment register multiplied by 10, then the offset, that is this one, 0301x. This whole combination will give us the actual physical address from which this data will be copied into AL. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.